What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Of course, it is your girl Mama, and I am so excited today because it is Black Friday time, and I have to say this is probably one of my favorite times of the year. November, December, you know, everything go on sale. Yes, honey, this is my time of the year. So anyways, I'm here, of course, to let y'all know that the Black Friday sale is active, and now is the time for y'all to get whatever it is that y'all wanted, because everything is on sale. So every single thing on the website is on sale for Black Friday. We have started already, and we are going to be doing this sale throughout the whole November. So you guys need to stock up on y'all challenges, stack up on y'all saving challenge books, stack up on y'all dashboards, placeholders, cash breakdowns, etc, etc, because baby, it is about to be 2024. Stack up on all your challenges and get ready for the new year. New year, new us. Okay, so I'm here to show y'all all these, and these are new arrivals. Gonna show y'all what's new on the website, and of course all these new items are on sale as well. So if there's any sound in my background, I apologize for that in advance. My house is full today, but I had to get this video done. So this is the 2024 5-time saving challenge bundle, and it is a scratch and save, mystery scratch and save. But the fun thing about this is that when you scratch it, whatever amount is revealed, you have to multiply that amount by 5, and that's the amount that you have to save. 2024 3-piece matte vellum 5 times saving challenge scratch off. Next up, we have another 2024 challenge, and this one has a lot of icons on it, and in the bottom it will show you the amount that you're saving. So you see how it says icons equals $20. That means that this one you are saving $20. It's also a 3-piece bundle, and it is also matte vellum as well. This is another Happy New Year saving challenge bundle. It's a 2-piece set, and it is not an A6 size. It is more of a 5 in a way. It's kind of bigger than the A6. The New Year New Me saving challenge bundle, and it's also matte vellum, and it's also a New Year saving challenge bundle as well. It has a lot of icons that represent the new year. As y'all can see, there's a clock, champagne. It's like a celebration bundle. So it's also 3-piece as well, and then in the bottom it shows you how much you're saving with the icons. Next up, we have the 32 paychecks saving challenge. This one, you save $1,280 by putting down $40 every paycheck. It is literally only one paper, so you could take on this challenge for the new year. It is still in the plastic, but we are back again with the $20 Friday challenge. Add $20 every single Friday. If y'all remember this challenge used to be on my website back then, but I've decided to redesign and bring it back. So here we are, $20 Friday. Next up, we have the unicorn saving challenge bundle, and this is included in that little unicorn bundle bag. If you're buying the whole bundle, then this is a challenge that's already in there. But if you don't want to get the whole bundle, then maybe you just want to get the challenge by itself. The unicorn saving challenge bundle is now available to you and is on sale. Next up, we have catered for the black girls. We have the black girl saving challenge set. We have another black girl here with a nice little fro, and we have another one here as well with a nice little fro. So this is a thick saving challenge bundle. It's also 3 pieces as well, and is available on sale for my thick girls. Next up, we have the Juneteenth saving challenge bundle. You know, the new year is coming up, and Juneteenth is gonna come up as well, and this is for all my black beauties as well. My daughter in there knocking something, so I hope it's not really disturbing you guys. So next up, we have the Little Saver saving challenge bundle, and this is completely low income for my low income people. As y'all can see, it's $5, it's $4, there's $2, and there should be one with $10. So it's 4 pieces. Next up, we have the Bingo saving challenge bundle. It is 4-piece. and it's also a part of the unicorn bundle as well. So if you have already purchased the unicorn bundle, maybe you won't want to purchase these, but if you haven't, maybe you like the bingo and you would like the bingo to be a part of your saving challenge bundle. So next up we have Spoiled, and Spoiled is now available single by itself. It came into one of the bundles as well, but it's also available alone in case you guys think it's cute and want to buy it and want to add it to your collection. These are the queen in the deck. Save $50 in order to color in these little coloring things. You have to save the amount that's on the card. So as y'all can see, there's a little instruction there that tells y'all save $50 to color this image, save $75 to color this image, save $100 to color this image, save $50 to color this image. So this is the Queen in the Deck bundle. It is now available on the website as well and is on sale. Next up we have another scratch off challenge, but this one is the 2-time scratch off doubler. And what I mean by 2-time scratch off doubler is that you may scratch and see a 2-time symbol that tells you that you have to double the amount of whatever that is. So I kind of took the scratch offs to a little bit of a higher level. Instead of just scratch and save the amount that's there, we now have a 2-time doubler. We now have a 5-time doubler. So this is our mini 2-time doubler scratch and save challenge. As y'all can see, it is very much mini and cute. We have Girl Power. Girl Power is a 3-piece saving challenge bundle. As y'all can see, Attitude, you saving 5s. Real Bad, you saving 10s. Run the World, you're saving 20s, 15s, and 5s. And this is now available on the website as well. New arrival. Next up, we've added a baby fund for all my pregnant people, and this can also be a cute little Christmas gift. If you have a friend or a relative that's expecting, you can get them the baby fund saving challenge bundle. This has hundreds and this has 50s. Along with those, we do have a new binder, y'all. This is the Moving Out binder, now available on the website. And this binder, it's gold. I just don't have a gold one at the moment, so I kind of put it in silver. But this is gonna be gold. You get the dashboard, as y'all can see. And then these are the challenges for the Moving Out binder. So for the Moving Out binder, you get household supplies, appliances, furniture, deposits, and moving truck. The Moving Out binder is for those who are planning to move out, or if you lease or rent somewhere and eventually you're gonna move, then this binder is for you to help you to get everything together. Guys, we've also added a 30-day self-care challenge. If you guys are interested in the self-care, there's a 30-day self-care challenge that is now available on the website as well, Matte Vellum. We've also added a mini 2024 Matte Vellum calendar. If you guys think these are cute, I do. I think these are super cute. I don't know, I'm just in love with the vellum. I don't know. Along with all those challenges, the Big Bag Saving Challenge book is back in stock and ready for sale. And along with the Big Bag Saving Challenge book, guess what we brought back? Guys, we brought back the coloring book. Baddies in the Bag coloring book is back on the website, and it's a part of the Black Friday sale. So if you didn't get a chance to grab one of the coloring books, then baby, now is your time. Okay, they are back, and the best thing about it is they are on sale. And along with the coloring book, we brought back the Ultimate Low Income Saving Challenge book for all my lovies who are very much low income. The book is back and here to help you on your journey. So the Black Friday sale will last throughout the whole November, but please bear in mind, if you need something, make sure you grab what you need, because not because it's gonna be on throughout the whole November, things can sold out or whatever. So make sure that you guys head on over to the website. The link is in the description, and go grab the items that you want.